Oh, hey everybody, didn't see you there. Just getting some light reading in before I get into this battle with my friends Pudgie and Ryota, grilled cheese battle 2.5. I just needed a little motivation so I can spank these boys' butts and show them once and for all who's the lion and who the sheep are. I hope you guys are ready. I'm bringing two special grilled cheeses for y'all. You're gonna love them, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. The first grilled cheese we're gonna make is actually a grilled cheese bite with Gruyere and cheddar with a little piece of coffee rub bacon on top. And the second grilled cheese we're gonna make is more of a dessert type grilled cheese with Parmesan crusted bread, Fontina, pears, and a strawberry spread, a little bit of pepper flake in there for a little bit of heat. I hope you guys enjoy the journey, and we'll see you at the end. Okay, now that we've grilled the cheese and cooked the bacon nice and crispy, we can't wait to plate these so everybody can enjoy these little bites of heaven. Let's hit each of these bites with a little piece of bacon. Bang it with a toothpick. I know Bruce and Brooklyn can't wait to have one of these. Maybe minus the bacon though, because it's coffee rubbed. Put them on the plate here. And while we enjoy these, we're gonna get ready to start our next grilled cheese, which is gonna be more of a desserty type grilled cheese, little sweetness. So get ready for that. Keep watching. We're gonna plate it up. Right there. Get that on top. Okay. All right, folks, now that it's all said and done, grilled cheese have been made and plated. They look fantastic. I'm gonna include the links to my competitors' videos in the description, as well as the ingredients for these two grilled cheeses. I think you should try them at home. You won't be disappointed. And everything is based on likes. So if you like my video, hit that like button. And if you happen to like my competitors' videos, I ain't mad at you. Like theirs instead. It's all good. We had fun doing this. It's competitive and no hard feelings at the end of the day. So we all had fun and let's get it done.